Hello guys, today I want to show you how to repair or fix your mouse in CSGO. My problem was, when you are playing, my mouse was so laggy, or it was just bugged. When I tried to play, my mouse was like that. It's so fast. Sometimes it's faster, sometimes is slow, and today I want to show you how to fix that. The resolution doesn't matter, it's just a game problem, You need to repair the files, and I want to show you how to do that. So first thing is first, you need to go to Steam, Library, right click on CSGO, Properties, Local Files, and you need to click on this thing right here. When you are finished with it, when it's complete, you are just done. When it doesn't help you, you can just write in comments. I try to help you. So thank you for watching, and yeah, bye.